In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter which is known as semantics. Semantics is the scientific and philosophical study of meaning, that how meaning is interpreted, communicated, and constructed. Just before yesterday, our topic was about thematic roles. And thematic roles, I told you about agent, which is an entity which performs an action. And then theme refers to an entity which is involved in the action or affected by the action of agent. And then yesterday our topic was about instrument and experiencer. That instrument refers to an entity which is used by an agent to perform an action, while experiencer is an entity which experiences feelings, perception, and state. Today our topic is what is meant by location, source, and goal in thematic or semantic roles. Location refers to an entity where an entity is. It refers to an entity where an entity is. For example, if I say the book is on the table. So listeners and audience, the question is, this is an entity, the book. Where is the book? On the table. So that's why it is location. Because it refers to an entity where an entity is. So where the book is? On the table. Okay. Another example is Aslam is in the office. So here you see where this entity is. So this entity is in the office. So in the office is location. If you say he is at home, so at home is location. Okay. Then I'm going to tell you about source. What is source? Source and thematic roles or semantic roles refers to an entity where an entity moves from. And it refers to an entity or a place where an entity moves from. For example, if I say he is coming from Arabia. So this from Arabia, that is actually source. Because here it refers to a place where an entity moves from. So this is an entity and this entity moves from what? From Arabia. So that is why it's a source. Or if you say Aslam will arrive from Makkah. Aslam will arrive from Makkah. So here the source is Makkah because Aslam will arrive from Makkah. So this entity will move from Makkah. So that Makkah, that is source. And the last topic, that is what? That is about goal. That what is goal? Listeners and audience, goal refers to an entity where or towards an entity move. I'm repeating. Goal refers to a place where an entity moves. Sometimes we are not say a place because that entity where entity moves can be a living thing. So that's why we are referring entity. That it refers to an entity where and entities are towards an entity move. For example, if I say Aslam goes to School. So here to school, that is goal, because that is goal. Why it is goal? Because it is an entity towards another entity moves. And this is another example of goal. If I say Aslam handed his book to Ahmad. So here to Ahmad is goal, because this entity moves toward Ahmad and he handed his book to Ahmad. So that's why it is also goal. So listeners and audience, hope that this topic is clear to you.